Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can see your Instagram password in case you have forgotten it. So the only way to view your Instagram password is via Google. But for that you need to have it saved first. In case you have gotten logged into your Instagram account via Google and if you have saved your password, this is how you can view it. First of all, head over to your browser, then tap onto Initial on your top right. Make sure that you are using a correct Google account where you possibly might have saved your Instagram password. Once you tap onto your Initial, tap on Manage your Google account. Now at this page, you will see Security and Sign In where you can see Password Manager. So tap onto that button. Now scroll all the way below, then you will see Password Manager. So tap onto it. And at this page, you will see all the sites like Facebook, Instagram, where you have possibly saved your password. In my case, I don't have any, but if you have saved any password, you will see it right here. And it will also give you an option to unhide your password. If you would like to unhide your password, you're going to have to enter your phone PIN. And likewise, this is how it's done, guys. Thank you for watching.